Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maniya here, and today I'm doing my updated everyday makeup routine. Hey guys, let's get into this tutorial. So I'm starting off with my micellar water just to wipe off all of the dirt off my face. I want to make sure that it is a clean surface completely. Next, I'm going to take my Yes to Tomatoes moisturizer and rub that all over my face to give my face some nice hydration. Also going to hydrate my lips with my Fenty lip gloss. Now I'm taking my Edge Booster and I'm going to put that over my eyebrows so that I can get my eyebrow hairs laid down nicely. I'm going to take my spoolie brush and brush my hairs upwards to make sure they're nice and flat. Now I'm taking my top brow cream and I'm going to use that to fill in my eyebrows. If you would like a more detailed eyebrow tutorial, just let me know. I use my LA Girl foundation just to conceal under my eyebrows. I think it's the most natural color. I want them to look concealed but not look crazy. Then I take my face primer and I'm going to put that all over my face. Now I'm going to take my foundation brush and my Bare Minerals foundation. I actually use two foundations. This is my LA Girl foundation. I like to mix the shades to get a super match to my shade. I love the bright under eye trend, so I'm going to take my white concealer and put that underneath my eye and also mix that with my e.l.f. concealer and put that right underneath as well. And I'm just going to blend that out nicely. Now I'm going to take my LA Colors contour palette and my face little sponge and set my concealer in place. I like to mix two colors and then set it right under that eye. Get right in there, make sure it's all set. You don't want to have no crease lines. Just pack it on. Now I'm going to take my Nika K New York Duo Contour Palette with the darker shades and just do my outer contour. And don't forget that nose. You have to contour that nose, honey. I also like to take a little bit and put it as my base color on my eyelid. I think it looks very natural, so I love that. And now I'm just going to set that with my setting spray let that dry a little bit, and now we're gonna add some highlight, some Fenty highlight. This is the pink one. I think it's called Kilowatt Foil. I'm sorry if I'm messing that up, but it's the pink highlight. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Hella Thick mascara, and I'm going to get those bottom lashes. I love when the bottom lashes are popping for my makeup. Yes. I'm going to add a brown lip liner. And finish that off with some Fenty lip gloss. And that is my final look of my updated everyday makeup tutorial routine, whatever you want to call it. This is what I do. I'm loving the new makeup routine. Go back to see what I used to do. It's so different. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. I have many more fun things to come. See you in my next one. Peace.